Welcome to the world of artificial intelligence, where machines can think and learn like humans. AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. There are two main types of AI: narrow AI and general AI. Machine learning is a subset of AI that allows systems to learn and improve from experience. Think of it as teaching a child using examples and feedback. From recommending movies to detecting fraud, machine learning is everywhere. Deep learning is a specialized form of machine learning that uses neural networks. Imagine a food critic tasting various dishes to develop a refined palate. Deep learning works with vast amounts of data and is suited for complex tasks, while ML can work with smaller data sets. Generative AI refers to models that can create new content, from images to text. It learns patterns from existing data and uses them to produce new, unique outputs. From art generation to chatbots creating stories, generative AI is revolutionizing creativity. With great power comes great responsibility. We need to consider the ethical implications of AI. The future of AI is bright with limitless possibilities. What will we create next? Thanks for joining us on this exploration into AI. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.